Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use opacity in the CapCut PC. So here, I've already added a clip to my CapCut PC, and this is how the clip looks like. And if you want to make it transparent, for example, or make the videos like darker, you can use opacity. And if you want to find the feature, you can just simply click on the video here, the clip in the track, and under the basic, you can just scroll down and find blend in here. So this is where the opacity is. So if you swipe to the left here, you can see that your videos will get darker. This and it will create like nine five videos or a five on your videos like this. So you can also change the mode if you want to. For example, you want to use the brighten. So you can just adjust it how you like it. This opacity can also be used if you are adding overlay to your clips, and then you can blend the overlay with the backtrack. So here, I'm going to add a keyframe to the opacity like this at the start. So I'm going to go forward, and here I'm going to lower the opacity to different darken like this. So let's say 60, and let's go for again, just the opacity again. So when I do that, it will create this effect. So it will gradually darken like this on the second keyframes, and then it will brighten up again till the third keyframes. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for support. Thanks. Bye.